Yeah. Uh, Diski Parliament. Diski Parliament. Uyabona when coach Tobejane said football will kill you. It will kill you a real dead. No. Sekuyavakala. Sengiyayiva lento lebekayisho. That football will kill you a real dead. Not dead yavava, not dead yakudeda endleleni, but dead yakufa. Hayi it will kill you yakuse. But mina lento ngayisho yonke lento lena in one of my videos that I posted previously. Ngathi into lekhawathathine libhakaniye ma draw. You can study history ubuke the previous seasons, yabo. The same story. Siyadlala kahle simbambe position 1 then sicale draw. And lapho Sundowns wena consistent, iwina kuphela. Uyangithola? Sicale lento yokudraw lena then next thing sesihleli ku number 2. ISundowns iAfrica iphinze ibuye. Solo seku number 2 sihluleka kuyithathela number 1. Cabanga i-team ibe number 1 mara ayikho ekhaya. Then you think that correct. Yabo. But no, it's football at the end of the day. Njengoba coach Tobejane washo, but football will kill you a real dead. And no, khula kubona, kuhamba kubona. Nathi simabhakaniya sikhulile sahamba sakubona. No lo mjitha beyaringa ivari. But I feel yabo asikho lapho nyalo into lekumele siyende thina ukuthi sifocus kulama game lesitwadlala la landzelako yabo. Yena washo Steve Kompela yabona. Wathi uyalibona libisi. Libisi lingabe lihleli isikhasi lesitse. Liyabola. Mase libole so angeke ubese uyalithatha uyalilahla. Ayilahlwa inhloya ngesixhosa. Uyayithatha le nhloya le masi lawo. Uyadla impilo yaqhubeka. Lo kwendekile la kwelibhakaniya it's not the end of life. Yabo. And mawungathi uyabuka we have 6 more games to play. Yabo. Sundowns has 7 more games to play. Yes, they have a game on hand. They are currently sitting at number 1. We are 2 points ahead of us. Those games 6 and 7, maning lama game lao. Yabo. A lot can happen. So mina ngiyasho and I strongly believe firmly so ukuthi iliga ayikapheli. Sisese grace in as much as nyalo sekutawumele sibuye sithembele nathi kwenhlanhla ngoba vele kuliqiniso wonke umuntu yakwadi lokho ukuthi inhlanhla yasebenza ebholeni and sometimes you need a bit of luck ekudiskin yabo. So I still believe ukuthi with luck on our side we will take the league yabo. Sundowns still needs to, when they come back from Africa they will be playing Magesi, but they still need to play Richards Bay now yabo, which might give them a problem. Richards Bay is capable of causing an upset. Sibabonile, they are capable. Pela what they did against Pirates, it's wonderful. So they can cause an upset to go Mamelodi Sundowns, and the Sundowns still need to play Polokwane again, and they haven't played with Polokwane this season, so they have 2 games that they need to play with Polokwane, home and away. So in one of those 2 games, something might happen. A draw. Maybe a loss, which maybe it might be a far-fetched dream, but yeah. So a lot can happen in those 2 games. Yeah, it's home and away. Sundowns might win at home. They might draw away. So we with luck on our side, we might be in a good position. So They also still need to play Kaizer Chiefs. They need to play Kaizer Chiefs, and if you look at the performance of Kaizer Chiefs in recent games, I think they've been doing great, especially Google last game. Yeah, I think they did great. It was beautiful watching Chiefs idlala at that level. I'm not happy Chiefs my win. Angifuni icamba manga, but at the end of the day, ngi football fan, and it's really nice to see Chiefs back. Uyabona I-compete grand ihleli lapha number 3 pretty imnanzi nje uyangithola, and it brings this thing man, the competitiveness kuloko ku league iyadzingakala uyabo. It's nice to see Sundowns there, Pirates there, Chiefs there. The Kaizer Chiefs fans, they believe that position 2 is possible. We as Orlando Pirates fans, we believe that position 1 it's possible. And Mamelodi Sundowns fans, they believe they will maintain momentum and stay on top of the table. So it's good to see the competition. It's good to see the competition. Now Kaizer Chiefs, it's back in the table. They can now talk. Yabona siyabavumela ukuthi bakhulume nyalo ngoba vele sesiyayibona improvile I-performance yabo since balo batoyitoyile yabo. Eish la ningiqolele la kune truck behind mina, so before ngichubeke ngelipoint lami because ngifuna livakale kahle, angifuni nithi nginidla ngemakona, so ngitawulinza le sound la ngoba kune truck lemuvako la estradini, so ngitawulinza kancane before ngilibeke. Ngifuna kulibeka nje livuthwe and ngifuna kulibeka livakale yabona, ngingakhekhelezi ngiyele nalena le. I-Chiefs seyibuyile on the table nyalo, seyingawuvula mlomo yabo. Seyingawuvula mlomo, they are sitting pretty there at number 3 and they believe position 2 it's possible. So it's good to see that because we also believe that position 1 is possible. Mamelodi Sundowns also believe that they can maintain momentum and remain on top of the table. So the Chiefs, is good to see them back, and they've been doing great lately. They've been winning consistently. Bashaye ilo bathini labantwana besikolo I-Orbit College, then babuya bashaya nyalo kambe yini le team lesishaye sayiphosa kwayo sayibulala le i-TS. Yeah, they gave them a young 2-0, which is good to see. And Shabalala, I loved that assist. Yeah, Shabalala, it was beautiful, very beautiful. Lomchita uvele nje wabangena lapha eboxini, wathatha ibhola wayiphakamisa, walocata Masiliva lapha wayibeka straight enhloko, naMasaliva naye wenda msebenzi uyabona, wayifaka phakathi enetheni very beautifully. Wacetha washaya lenye i-celebration lekuyithanzile lapha. Ithi ngabe lo ngoma we mavalawala wathwatha ngikho lapho kulethi ngoma tema piano, but ngona lokho washaya lawo ma celebration lawo yabo. It's good to see, and also a beautiful goal by Lollipop. Ulishayile leli goal lela, and also asibonge I-assist yabani yamthetho ngoba Majita mthetho wakamfrostana. Ngikhumbula siphikisana neMajita lana fele nami ngagcine ngayibona le ndlebe bakhuluma ngayo, but mina Nyambosa ngimbona ngathi I-Chiefs man uyayiniketa kuba strong phela since Nyambosa angekho. Hayi bekubula kwembeswe since Nyambosa bekangekho nje recently kulama game lawo madoda. Nyambose I think I-Chiefs uyayiniketa man bu stability makakhona kuyabonakala uyabo. Since bekangekho nje kulama game landlulile I-Chiefs beyistrugglisha, yebo yona ipick up ile kule game le khandlane bantwana besikolo ya wina beautifully. Then nyalo lekhani idlala ne-TS wangena mthetho, beautiful assist by him. Ayiniketa Lollipop washaya msebenzi. Usebenzile lapha Lollipop. It was a beautiful game and it was beautiful to see. So yeah, I think the whole point was that now I-Chiefs seyibuyile etafuleni, so beautiful there. Sibuye ku game yelibhakaniya. I think in the last 3 games we scored a total of 13 goals. 1, 3, right? But if you sit down and take a look, you'd notice that our striker didn't score in all of those games. In all of those goals, 13, he scored nothing. So it's an issue. It's a big issue. I understand there's great potential in Botoma. There's great potential in Botoma. We can see it on and off the pitch how the boy plays. He has a lot of potential to becoming a great striker. But right now, we do not need potential. Right now, we need goals, right? We need a striker that is going to be clinical, right? Potential will not win us games, and potential will not win us the league. But someone who will decide games will win us the league. There is still opportunity to win the league. The league is not over. Coach need to stop putting players in the first 11 because they have potential. He need to start playing players that know how to score goals. If winning the league, it's still one of our objectives because we as fans, that's our objective. So please, we need Ngwanasesi in the first 11 in the next coming days, in the next coming games. We need Ngwanasesi in the first 11. We cannot score 13 goals without our striker scoring anything. We cannot. It's not right. It's not right. And I would say there are no opportunities for a strike. We have 10-111. We have Riavai. We have a president Yama 2K. Those are playmakers. Bayawafaka amabhola eboxing. But there's no conversion. I'm not happy. It's not right. And I'm not blaming it on a player. Sorry. I cannot blame a player. Right? I cannot blame a player. Mbutuma, it's a good player. We all know that. We all know that Mbutuma is good. We know that he has great potential. Everybody knows that. Mbutuma must find his scoring boots. In the training, in the games, we want Mahopa, please. In the training, he must find his scoring boots, and when he has found them, he must get game time. You understand? Yabona nyalo, I think Orlando Pirates sekumele izame implementa the same strategy that Kaizer Chiefs implemented. Not sekumele siyotoyitoya nyani. Ngoba phela kulokutoyitoya kusho ukuthi ku-effective. If you look at i-performance ya Chiefs the past few games, okay, likhani badlala nebantwana besikolo, the performance was okay. Bebabaheva, they just scored, yabo. So they won, which is important. Then itolo likhani badlala ne-TS, they played beautiful football. So that shows ukuthi the implementation yale strategy sokutoyitoya is very effective. So that is something that Orlando Pirates need to take into serious consideration. We need to toytoy. We need to toytoy, same as Chiefs, because we cannot be playing draws like that. Chiefs will win against Sundowns. I can bet on that. they have all the reasons to win, right? I know there are those that will think otherwise. My fans wabo labatotsi bafuna idliwe because their goal is to prevent Orlando Pirates from winning the league. Apparently those ones, they view success ye-Chiefs ngekufailwa kwe-Pirates. They see kufailwa kwe-Pirates as a success. We know them, those ones. Yabo, we understand them. But those who understand football, they know that they have every reason to win against Sundowns. Now Chiefs, in as much as Pirates, both these two teams, now Sundowns, none of those teams can afford to lose points. We did it. We lost 2 points, which ibuhlungu lenda ayikho right, and is cost a chance nyalo yokubuka number 1 yabo, while Sundowns away. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-Chiefs have every reason to beat Mamelodi Sundowns, and I believe they will. They are capable of doing it. And one of those reasons is they want to be position 2. They are already dreaming about it. You understand? I've seen people saying that, commenting, writing, posting that position 2 is available, is vacant. So they have that dream of becoming number 2, and they have every reason to dream about it because they want to play the Champions League next season. They've been playing this one, the second option, the CAF confirmation. They've been playing a confirmation. So now they want to go play the real one in Africa. So that reason is motivation enough for them to say, to dedicate themselves in winning against the Sundowns. And us as Pirates, we need them to win. In as much as I believe Chiefs will win against Sundowns, I believe there's a difference between belief and knowing, right? Chances are 99.9% Sundowns will win. That's a reality. Then my belief is for Chiefs to win. They are capable. That 0.1% is something. So, in as much as ngut believer logo and ngut dreamer, I have to put respect on Sundowns because Sundowns angeke nje ngikhulume ngayo ebudedengu ngithi yoshaywa i-Chiefs. Yabo? I can't ngikhulume ebudedengu. I have to put respect ngikubeke nje kuvakala ukuthi lokho kusifiso sami. Yabo? I-Sundowns is an experienced team bafethu. They've been winning the league back to back for 7-8 years now. Yabo? They've been playing the Champions League for like the longest time now, and they are doing good. And now they are in a position of getting another star. So, Sundowns, a team lekhulu, it deserves the respect. Yes, Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. It's a big team according to a fan base. You must also understand that when people say Chiefs is a big team, they are right. It is a big team. If you look at it according to a fan base, it's a very big team. Yabo? A big team that has been playing equal CAF confirmation, not the Champions League. It's all about business confirmation. Big team. Yabo? A team that qualified to play Leo confirmation Leo by winning the Nedbank which now they are not even competing in. Yabo? So, yeah. We'll see. I was talking to my father over the phone this other time. And lena ibuye ingithatha ingise back. I was talking to my father this one day. And he was telling me ukuthi Orlando Pirates has this tendency of dropping points against small teams. Yabo? And if you look at history, you will see it's true. But because I believed so much that this season it's going to be different, siphikisana over nelithime lami when it comes to football, respectfully so. So ngamphikisa over. Ngithi this season is different. Yabo? No. You were right, Shabang. We have a problem. We drop points against small teams. It happened. I'm not happy to admit, but I have to swallow my pride. And then ngiyolala kabuhlungu nyalo njengoba ngiswalele pride lena because hey iningi kakhulu. And nyalo I can't even nyalo vele ngiyothi ngiyakhuluma nasibali ngeke asafuna nokungilalela ngoba phela ngidawuthini. My father was right when he said Orlando Pirates has this tendency of dropping points against the small teams. He told me that if you want to win the league, you must win against these small teams. You can't win the league by winning against Sundowns. You win the league by winning these small games, small teams. Yabo. So it is a hard pill to swallow, Shabang, to admit that you were right. Ngoba ngakuphikisa. Ngathi this season is different. This season is different. This season is different. But what I can tell you is that it is not over. It is not over. You are coming back from Africa. When you come back, you still need to play Richards Bay now. You still need to play Polokwane City twice. You still need to play Sekhukhune. So those teams are capable of causing an upset. They are very much capable. And yeah, I think a draw, you might get 2 draws in those 4 games that I've mentioned. So maybe a draw and a loss. It's poop. Yeah, poop. It's good to dream. They say you must dream big. If your dreams don't scare you, then you are not dreaming enough. I think my father, in as much as you were right, you also taught me to dream big. You taught me that I must dream big. In as much as ngibona ukuthi iligi ngathi yahamba, because you are 2 points ahead with the match on hand, but we can't count really those eggs before they hatch. So you have 2 points. You are 2 points ahead of us. And I know that your team is very consistent and is experienced and has quality. So right now I have to rely on one thing. You taught me to dream big. So I'm not going to stop dreaming. I'm not going to stop dreaming. My dream is that Chiefs will win against you. My dream is that one of those 2 games against Polokwane City, you will draw one. And my dream is that Sekhukhune might cause an upset. So, yeah. And you know what I've realized? My dreams. Mina nginesiphiwo lesiphuma kulaba phasi. Uyabona? Lento ngaphiwa. Uyabo? Ngaphiwa mina. Ngaphiwa nawe uyakwathi lokho Shabang. So, let's watch the space. I think you must know this, that the first free kick that Relebohile Mofokeng scored in his professional football just became The goal of the month. The goal of the month. Lentwana lena, he will become the player of the season. He won back-to-back man of the match 5 times. Yabo? So it's good to see. Yeah. Ngito irapha manje ngabe angenditona if angikusho lokho. Bengicela nje ukundlulisa kubonga kakhulu ngokungisupporta ngokubukela le content, ngokulike, ngekushare, ngekucomment. Swati sithi muntu ngebandvu. Nami ngimuntu ngebandvu, so ngiyabonga kakhulu. It really means a lot ukuthi niconsume le content yak Diski Parliament. Ngihleli la ngidrambulela nje ngefootball, ngikhuluma umsangano, ngipolitika, ngiphikisana nebantu, or ngihleli nemajita lana sikhuluma ngediski, siphikisana, interviewana, or ngise stadium, ngi-interview ama fans. Ngiya appreciate kakhulu. Ngithi niqhubeke ningisupporte, and one day it will make sense. Njengoba ngishilo ekucaleni ukuthi Siswati sithi muntu ngebantu. Mawuphakamisa umuntu umbeka le, umniketa irresponsibility lekhulu kakhulu, because kumase kale naye kumele abuye aphakame nalabanye. So ngiyabonga amaswati akithi, ngiyabonga South Africa.